Once again, this is Doc San, the official handler of the official page of our university president, Dr. Maria Carla A. Ochotorena. So this afternoon, we will be featuring one of the most respected individuals here in WIMSU, none other than our university and board secretary, Dr. Agani D. Mohammed. Sir, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon, Doc San, and good afternoon to our WEMSU community. And shout out to our university president, Dr. Maria Carla A. Ochotorena. Happy New Year, ma'am!
You know, sir, Doc Al, we are so honored and very privileged enough to be having a sit-down interview with you. Of course, with the board sec of Western Mindanao State University. You're one of the few people here that we really look up to, honestly.
Thank
Aside
you.
from your wit and charm,
Wow.
of course, undeniably, your dedication and commitment to Western Mindanao State University is very, exceptional.
Thank you so much, Doc San, for those kind words. I really appreciate those. Rare lang yun.
No, that's so genuine, sir. So, thank you so much for accepting our invitation to have this sit-down interview with you.
Thank you.
Again, we are so honored. Sir, may we know, you've been as a university and board secretary for 5 years now, right?
Yes, I am the designated university and board secretary for 5 years now, since
Yeah.
October 2020. And I am also in concurrent capacity the director of the University Action Center. So actually, I have 2 designated positions, but my item is a faculty item. I am a faculty member.
So, how does it feel, sir, to be holding such designations?
Tired but rewarding, because
Okay.
this is for the university. Anything that we can do to help the university, especially the university president, it's an honor and a privilege, and not everybody is given the chance or opportunity to serve the university in this capacity.
Okay.
So I'm honored.
So, how do you manage day-to-day tasks?
Well, 5 years, sort of saying I've been used to it
Okay.
since 2020.
Mm.
For 5 years now, it's just like walk in the park when it comes to writing resolutions,
Okay.
preparing agenda folders. What is more taxing now are complaints, but these are not really serious complaints. As a university action center director, it's more taxing than being a university and board secretary,
Okay.
because you deal with complaints and
Oh.
you defend the university, not only the president, the university, as well as faculty members who are being complained of.
Okay. So, sir, as the university and board secretary, how do you ensure that there is really an effective communication between the university president and the board of regents?
Actually, there are 4 major functions of the university, or roles of the university and board secretary. The most visible part of the role is the management of meetings. So with this, I coordinate with not only with the university president, but also with the board chair in developing agenda items.
Okay.
So as a university and board secretary, I also serve as the primary link between the university and its stakeholders, and also between the WEMSU Board of Regents and the university president. So with that, I occasionally, if not regularly, advise not only again the university president, but also the WEMSU Board of Regents on governance issues and legal responsibilities. So every day I meet with the president. I conferred with her some governance issues and legal responsibilities when it comes to board governance.
Okay, so that's so amazing, sir. So, I saw, I saw one of your posts that you were able to come up with 32 board resolutions
32
just
board
for
resolutions
a
in
couple of
one
days.
day.
In
One day, yeah.
So, how do you manage
Like
that one,
what
sir?
I said a while ago, I'm used to it, being the university and board secretary for almost 5 years now. Actually, I already drafted the board resolutions before the board meetings. But before drafting it, I made sure that all documents are already in place.
Okay.
Compliance with the complete staff work requirements. Meaning to say, every agenda item should pass through, or all agenda items should pass through various committees or particular committees. For example, if the agenda item has something to do with academic or it is an academic matter, so it should pass through academic council, then the newly created WEMSUBOR academic committee, then this also passed through the endorsements of other committees, most particularly the recommendation of the president. So I already drafted before the meetings. So after the meeting, then konti na lang kumbaga yung little things to do or to tick with the board resolution. So I just made sure that I incorporated all the suggestions, comments, recommendations of the Board of Regents and include it in one of the whereases. Because you'll just include that recommendation or direction of the Board of Regents in the whereas. Because in drafting a board resolution, so you follow the process or you follow a particular procedure. So from a general perspective to a specific, then you go to the dispositive portion wherein it already includes the direction, recommendation of the WEMSU Board of Regents. So, kumbaga, naka-prepare na yun yung mga general concepts, perspectives, then yung mga legal basis, if there are, then you go to the decision of the board. So, madali na lang. Kumbaga, ganun lang ang proseso ng paggawa ng
So, it seems like you have this kind of approach or strategy
Yes.
to speed up everything.
Yes,
To
yes.
keep parang things, being done efficiently.
Then I also, before the board meeting, I already prepared the executive summary. So from the executive summary, I have already the idea what are the things that should be incorporated or to be written on or put in the board resolutions.
Okay.
So it's easy na lang.
Okay. So, I'm going to the previous institutional accreditation,
Yes.
sir. I know how much you've been working on it, no? How much effort you exerted just to streamline everything. So, what were the challenges, if there are any, that you encountered along the way?
We prepared that for 4 months. There were challenges, but not insurmountable. You know what I mean? Because the president prepared us for this.
Okay.
This is not also the first time in which we had this kind of activity. So we already time and again we have already proven to the whole world that WEMSU can stage such activity as large as as wide as institutional accreditation, because we already did the SUPER.
Yes.
The SUPER prepared us for this kind of activity and other international and national activities for that matter. So challenging, but the challenges are not insurmountable because of the guidance of the university president, support of the WEMSU Board of Regents, the participation and cooperation of everybody from the top management down to the utility. So yung mga nag-prepare or the people, the members of the task forces, the different task forces or members of the different areas, easy na lang sa kanila because of the support, because of the cooperation, participation of everybody in the university. So not only the internal stakeholders, the faculty, the students, the administrative personnel, but also the alumni and other stakeholders of the university. So again, I emphasize challenging, but the challenges are not insurmountable.
Yeah,
That's why I am positive that the IA, the results of the IA will be granted to us positively, as what we expect, that kind of level that we want our university to achieve or to gain. So it's not level 3, it's not level 4, then level But we are hoping, fingers crossed, that it will be level 4 because we prepared for a level 4 accreditation. Our preparation was a level 4 preparation.
Okay.
So like what the president, once when or has been telling us that if we want to prepare something for the university, our preparation we should not be contented of the shallow preparation. We should be preparing the university for just like a big activity, something that the university can be proud of.
Okay. That's why no wonder, sir, you are the perfect fit for that position.
What position?
I mean, yun as University and Board Secretary and as the concurrent director for what's that?
Concurrent director of the University
Uni-
Action Center.
Okay.
All complaints, particularly 888 complaints,
Okay.
my task is to reply,
Okay.
to come up with, to answer the complaints and reply the 888
Okay.
something like that.
So last one, sir. Do you have any message to all our viewers or followers? I mean, just to inspire them to also be like you, as efficient as you are.
Well, just do what you are intended to do. Just be yourself. Do not think of what others think of you. Like what I always say, only those who do the absurd are capable of achieving the impossible. Diba? So kung hindi mo susubukan, sabihin mo hindi mo kaya, hindi mo talaga makakaya.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
So gawin mo. So
Yeah.
after pag nagawa mo na, then you achieve the intended results, then that's an accomplishment. That's an achievement. And do not think of the people, like what I always also say, that do not think of the people, yung mga negative comments na sinasabi.
Naysayers.
O yung mga naysayers na kasi yun ang gusto nila eh.
Yes.
Yun ang, meron pang isa, favorite ko to eh. Bakit na nakalimutan ko ngayon? Para ko kasi si Sanya eh. Nakalimutan. Live a life the way you see it fit and not the way other people see it. Continue to support the WEMSU president and work toward the advancement and welfare of our beloved Western Mindanao State University. Thank you.
Yay. Thank you so much, sir. Perfect.